Alright, so hello YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Open Flash tablet, OFT2 for short, specifically for the FRS, BRZ, and GT86. Alright, so the tablet I have with me today is going to be the version 2. It's the new one that came out right now. It's going to be a little bit bigger and a little bit, just a tad bit faster than the other ones that they had beforehand. Alright, so first things first, it's going to be the box right here. So, it's just going to be a black box basically with no labeling on it, but that is still going to be the OFT tablet in there. As soon as you open it up, you're greeted with a manual, right over here. Not really a manual, but more of a please read me first paper, kind of like it says right there. Seriously, read me first. Yeah, and then you're going to be greeted with the Open Flash tablet right over here. As you guys can see, it's a little bit bigger, right? Here's the side view, the back. Okay, and then they do, which is nice, for a $500 tablet, they do provide you with the OBD port right over here and complimentary USB port. That's all you're gonna need really to actually get this to work for your car and your computer. Now for you guys who are new to the tablet wise, just like me, this is actually the first time I'm holding this and seeing it in person, and it's going to be actually the first time that I'm going to use it. So you can't really turn it on because there's no power source. You either could plug it in the computer or the car, and that's going to start it up basically. So according to what I read, the first thing is to actually plug it in your car and to read the ROM that it's in your car so that it can back it up, and then you can basically start from there. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so for anyone that's new to flashing ECUs or actually using the OBD port, it's actually, you're gonna, first things first, you're gonna need your OBD2 cable, and then you're gonna have to plug that in under the dash right here to the right hand side, and you're gonna see that port over there. So that's where you're going to plug that in. Alright, so once you guys have that port plugged in, you can go ahead and take the other end and plug that into your OFT tablet. And before going to the tuning section, you're going to have to put the car into ignition mode. And to do that, for at least for the push to start button cars, it's going to be pressing this button twice. So 1, 2, and that's in ignition mode. So once the car is in ignition mode, you can go ahead and go to the tablet, press the tuning button, go to Subaru, at least for my car since it's a Subaru, press this arrow right here, and then for the model it's going to be the BRZ. Alright, and then for the, I think that's the engine specs, yep, 2.0 is only one, so go ahead and press the right, and then you're going to be in this screen right here. So in order to use this tablet for your car, the first thing you're going to have to do is read the ECU ROM, or read the ECU so you can back up the ROM into the tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Read, and it's going to go ahead and connect to the car's ECU. And again, while doing this, it's advisable not to do anything or touch anything, such as opening the door, pressing on the gas pedals, or touching maybe even the radio or the stick shift or anything. So just to be safe, do not touch anything while it's in this progress right here. And you're just gonna wait for that to load up till it's done. Alright, and once that's saved, all you guys gotta do is to turn the ignition off. So that's one press. Confirm it. Press OK. You can go ahead and disconnect the OFT2. And one thing about it is, I don't think there is an off switch on this. So from that, I would say that it's actually safe enough to actually just unplug it. Alright, so again, that is that. As you guys can see, the read and write are grayed out. This means that I don't have any ROM files to currently flash the car, so I'm going to have to do that in the computer. So Hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and overview of the new OFT flash tablet. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for suggestions, and hopefully you guys subscribe. Thank you.